What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video, guys, it is another one on Apecoin, which has not been performing too well. It has dropped just about 4% in value in the last 24 hours, making it $13 per coin. However, in yesterday's video, if you guys watched it, I did mention do expect a slight drop in value, which has taken place and hopefully goes back up in value, which kind of already has started to go back up in value. So we'll get into that later on in the video in more detail, looking at what potential it has over the next couple of hours and days. Is it a good time to invest right now? Should you wait for it to dip? Or for the sellers who are looking to sell, should you sell it now or should you wait for it to go up in value? So that is exactly what I'm going to be going through in today's video, and obviously answering some of your questions which you guys have asked me in my DMs over the last couple of hours. So before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And again, for this giveaway, guys, there's going to be at least 3 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So we usually see Apecoin in the top gainers list, but today is unfortunately in the top losers list. It hasn't lost that much of value. It's only 4%, you know, it's not that deep. So over the last hour itself is lost about 1%. Over the last day, 4.78%. Over the week, 14%, guys. So as you can see, it's dropped massively here, picked back up in value, and currently dropping back down and again. So can it pick up in value? Let's have a look. So, and over the month, there is obviously a massive percentage up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, let's have a look here. We can see it has dropped 40% in trading volume over the last 24 hours, making it just about $1.8 billion, which is still a lot. Don't get me wrong, guys, just because the trading volume has dropped doesn't mean, you know, that's not a lot of money. That is a huge amount of trading volume, meaning a lot of people are still trading the crypto. We're seeing a massive 69% buy against 31% sell, meaning a lot of people are still investing into it, buying it and stacking it up for the long-term hold. So let's get straight into the price prediction, and we're also going to be looking at one of the most commonly asked questions: can it hit the $30 mark? We are nearly halfway there. Can it hit that or not? That's one of the questions I'm going to be going through in today's video as well. So as you can see, we do have the candlestick pattern chart, and we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now, but I'm not going to be using it right now. I'm going to hide it and bring it back later on in the video when I do the technical analysis. But let's start off with the price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's why most of you guys are here for. So as you can see at the top, we've got the SMA indicator as well, the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing it at $13, and it is currently trading at $13 as well, meaning it's very close and is performing like it's meant to. So let me zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders. I mean, I can only do the short-term prediction anyway, because as I mentioned plenty of times, there isn't much historical data on this cryptocurrency to do the long-term prediction, and that is why I keep you guys updated on a regular basis every single day, uploading on Apecoin. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So zooming in here, we've got a mixed signal. We've got the orange line looking bullish, going in a positive direction, looks like, you know, gaining value over the next couple of hours. And we've got the blue line just about going in a straight line. It did go in a negative direction, but it has decided to fluctuate out, and right now going in a flat out straight line. So over the next couple of hours, even though we are expecting it to dip over the next 2 to 3 hours, after that do expect increases in value. Hopefully towards the end of the day, we should be heading towards hopefully past the $14 mark and heading towards the $15 mark towards the end of the day today or early hours of tomorrow. So do expect more dips for the very short term over the next few hours, but after that we should expect it to slightly start to increase in value and gain some percentage. So moving on to the hourly chart, let's have a look here. So here both the lines are very close to each other, and literally they look like they are going in a straight line, but if you look very closely, they are slightly heading towards the negative direction. So slight drops in value are expected over the next couple of days. So let's say towards mid next week, towards the end of next week, we should expect an overall decrease in value. However, it doesn't mean it's going to drop all the way back down or anything like that. Again, we are going to see green days, we are going to see red days. It may be up tomorrow, but the day after it's going to be down. So it's going to be a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome seems to just about be more on the negative side. So again, It's nothing major, it's not like a huge drop in value or anything like that, but a minimal decrease in value is what is expected. However, any news or any updates that come across that could have a potential impact on the value of Apecoin, I am of course going to keep you guys updated on my Instagram and on my YouTube channel as well, because you guys have requested me to do a daily video on Apecoin, which is what I'm going to be sticking to. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. Again, I won't be able to do the long-term prediction because when I move on to the daily chart, there is no MACD indicator. The graph is not able to do the long-term prediction. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale. And one more thing, guys, before I get into the technical analysis, if you guys want to find out when I'm buying and selling cryptos, there's a link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat. Again, it's $14.99 at the moment using discount code DEC10, and it's going to stay at $14.99 forever as long as you sign up now. It is limited to the first 100 people, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. And any questions, any queries you guys may have, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. Back to Apecoin. So the Fibonacci scale, the highest we've been to was over here, $17.69, and this was back on the 18th of March, so just about a week ago. Dropped all the way down to about $9, and right now picking back up in value, and we are just about resisting around this line here, which is, let's have a look, $13.45, which is the 50% target. That's where we are fluctuating around. Obviously we've been past it, dropped back down, going towards it again. So once it does hit the $13.45 mark, which is very close to at the moment, it can either break out and go up to $14.45, which is what I'm expecting over the next couple of hours, not hours, but towards the end of the day and tomorrow as well. I am expecting it to hopefully break out and reach this target here, but again, it all depends on any updates or any news that come across. But yeah, if it doesn't manage to break out, sorry, it was going to resist and drop down to $12.44, which I highly doubt is going to take place, but again, I will keep you guys updated. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick price update, price prediction on Apecoin. If you guys have any questions or any queries regarding this, let me know in the comment section down below. And regarding Apecoin hitting the $30 mark, the big question, guys, again, it is very early on in the project still. Even though it's been about a week since it's been live, it's still very early. Yes, it does have the potential to hit the $30 mark. We are not too far from the $30 mark at all. It can hit that by the end of the month or mid next month even, but it all depends on the project, any collaborations, any updates that they've got going on. So guys, personally, $30 is possible, but because it's very early and it's a risky investment as well, you know, we never know what can take place. Let me know what your expectations and what your predictions are about, you know, Apecoin hitting $30. In my previous video, about 2 videos ago, I think a lot of you guys said you can easily hit $50, you know, probably in about 2 weeks time you should be able to easily hit $50, but I'm pretty sure most of your opinions may have changed by now. Comment down below what you guys think about Apecoin hitting the $30 mark. Let me know and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next Apecoin video. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a like, and if you didn't, leave it a like as well. So either way, go down and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 50k subs as soon as possible. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much to everyone who have subscribed, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.